Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. It has been 14 years since its last major release, but finally, just a few days ago, GIMP 3.0 was officially released, bringing a complete port to GTK3. This release is historic for the most popular and widely appreciated open-source image editing software, which for a long time was the only credible open alternative to Adobe Photoshop. I have previously discussed the expected new features of this release, and I will list them shortly. However, I first want to explain a bit about this release and its timeline so you can better understand that behind a major release, there are often enormous technical efforts. It's not just about incrementing the version number. GTK, the library that GIMP relies on, was originally created specifically for this software and was later adopted by GNOME. GTK stands for GIMP Toolkit. The code of GIMP 2.0 used special objects from GTK2, so performing a complete port to the new libraries was extremely difficult. This is why it took so long. Given that this version is now complete, I assume that GIMP 4.0 will not take another 10 years to develop. GIMP 3.0 introduces a series of significant new features that enhance the user experience and improve the software's capabilities. The complete transition to GTK3 brings a more modern interface and better performance, with native support for Wayland and high DPI screens, making it more compatible with current hardware and operating systems. One of the most anticipated additions is the ability to select and modify multiple layers simultaneously, making it easier to work on complex projects. The GEAGLE engine has been further integrated, allowing for more flexible and non-destructive editing. Color management has been improved with more advanced support for color profiles, while the brush engine now offers greater customization and more precise control. The scripting system has also received major updates, with the transition from Python 2 to Python 3 ensuring better compatibility and stability. File format support has been expanded, improving integration with Photoshop and other graphics software. Overall performance has been optimized to ensure a smoother and more responsive experience, while the user interface has received aesthetic updates that improve usability and dark theme support, making GIMP more modern and competitive in the open-source editing landscape. Thank you for watching.